Hey guys, Face ID is a smart and handy shortcut to unlock your iPhone, but if this Face ID is not working, then unlocking your phone could become slower. Anyways, your Face ID might not be working because of many reasons like requirement of iOS update, non-availability of this feature on your model, something blocking your face on camera, maximum unsuccessful attempts or failure, lock command, etc. So what can you do to fix the Face ID not working? Well, I'll tell you. Number 1, restart the phone and enter the passcode. Now try using Face ID again. Number 2, check for the updates. For this, plug your device into a charger and connect to Wi-Fi. Now go to Settings, then General and tap Software Update. If there is a software update available, tap Install Now. Check your Face ID settings is your third solution. In this step, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode if prompted. Now check if Face ID is set up and switched on. Let's check some general solutions now here. Here you must face the front camera or true depth camera properly in such a way that your face is completely visible without mask or sunglasses. Make sure that the camera is placed not far than 20 inches and that the camera is also clean and dust free. If none of the solutions work right for you, then reset your Face ID by going to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and then reset Face ID. Follow the instructions further for resetting. And that's it guys. We hope that these solutions helped you resolve the issue of Face ID not working on iPhone already. So like this video and follow our channel for more such tech videos.